Hello everyone! Welcome to 103 Online for the summer 2021. I'm just going to give you a few heads up items just to get started. The first thing is we have a condensed semester. Instead of 15 weeks, we're going to do it in 7, and that means we have to get started. You do have a diagnostic essay due on Thursday the 1st at 8 a.m. and then your first formal essay will be on the 8th at 8 a.m. So 2 assignments coming pretty quick. The diagnostic is more or less for me to see a writing sample from you, but the first formal essay is something that's going to be long and have many parts to it. In order to understand both, you'll need to go through the modules. So beginning today, and hopefully you're reading this now on Monday, go ahead and look at the Start Here module, go through the Start Here module and do the syllabus quiz. It's very easy if you've read the syllabus. Finish up your diagnostic and then begin working on Essay 1. You do have to complete all of the work in this course in order to get credit for it. That includes all essays, including the diagnostic, and all of the discussions. Rewrites are optional, just depending on how you want to handle it. Now, if you have any questions about the course, you can email me at any time. And if you ever want to meet with me, I'll be happy to arrange something over Zoom or Skype or FaceTime or what have you, since this is all asynchronous and all done online. Thinking out loud here, one of the things that you'll note is that all of your assignments are due on Thursdays at 8 a.m. That's just important for you to remember right now. And I think the second thing to let you know is just, hey, I'm here. I'm here for you. This is my job. I check my email frequently during the day. And if you need anything at all, please let me know. In order to be successful, I'm going to repeat, you really do have to go through every module and watch all the videos and read all of the notes. Do not, slack those responsibilities because you want to write. If you want to write well, you're going to have to go through that process. And so, do what you can take in a given day, maybe a couple of videos or a couple of long note sessions, etc. But make sure you go through them. I think one of the more important things in this course is the list of common errors that I'll give you. I'm trying to condense what I've seen from students over the years for you. But well, the most important thing is to understand that this is a class and argument. So everything that you're going to do is your opinion, and all the class is designed to make your opinion stronger. So I want to make a point here. You're no longer doing expository writing. You're no longer doing the summary and fact-based stuff that you did in 101 and probably everywhere that you've been working in a composition before that. This is designed to get your opinion out. It's not designed to summarize things. Therefore, I don't care what your opinion is, I never will. What I'm trying to do is give you the skills to make your opinion convincing. And we have little things that we put into argument to do that. And these essays build on each of those elements. They're called ethos, pathos, and logos, or credibility, emotion, and logic. So as we build, you'll be writing your opinion, you'll be writing it with credibility, citing your sources with passion, your gut feeling, and your logic. Writing with good grammar and clear structure is a big part of that. Okay? And I'll be here to guide you and, again, to answer whatever questions you have. So once again, welcome, and I look forward to working with you.